What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank in 2024. I've been getting people asking me recently, is it still viable to make money with Clickbank online? And of course it is. And it's actually much better now because we can use AI to make money faster. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. And I've made lots of money with Clickbank and I've got a few awards. I actually have another one on the way as well. It's one of my main income sources online. Now, AI is making it much quicker, and I'm going to show you step by step how to make money online with Clickbank. It's one of the best ways to make money online right now. Let's get started. All right, guys, so I've had a lot of people ask me recently, how can they make money with Clickbank? What is the best way right now? If you don't know what Clickbank is, it's a website where you can find specific products to promote for a commission. So you get paid for promoting other products. So for example, someone makes a purchase through your link, you get paid a commission. This is Clickbank here. To sign up, you just go start here and get your own account signed up. And then you can also do this on a website called Digistore, which is the same as Clickbank as well. This is Clickbank, and this is what we're going to be focusing on. You can go and start your account if you don't already have one. Now, what I was doing is I was chilling in Clickbank, and this is kind of the Clickbank backend. So I'll give you just a little quick 30-second tutorial. This is a product here, for example. If you click promote on this product and you go generate a hop link, you just put in your name here, generate a hop link. You're going to get a custom link down here that you can copy and you can send people to that. And when you make, when they make a purchase, you're going to get a commission. Okay, so you just need this link right here. Now, the important thing here is we want to go and promote a specific product. Cool. But I was looking through all of these categories here and I wanted to find a product that wasn't too popular and was easy to promote, easy to get traffic, and relatively easy to get some commissions coming in. So I went down to, I think it might have been food or something like that. Yeah, cooking and wine. And the reason I went with this one is because there's a platform we're going to be using to promote this, which works very well with this. And then I scrolled down to this one here, the complete plant-based recipe cookbook, and you get around about $22 per commission, so per sale you get for them. Now they've got an affiliate page and things like that, but I'm just going to go and click on this right now and have a look at the page. And it's a very good page. You always want to check the page and make sure it's really nice and modern and everything like that, and we can see that it is. So the next step is I wanted to actually find out how much traffic there was kind of generally on the internet for vegan recipes, so plant-based recipes. You want to go to a website called thehoth.com and then go to resources and then go to keyword planner. Now, we're not going to be doing anything in Google, but what this does is this gives us a general idea of how many people are searching for a specific keyword on Google. And that kind of goes across to the other platform that we're going to be using. So I put in plant-based foods, and we can see that we have all of these different types of keywords here. We've got plant-based foods, whole food, plant-based diet, plant-based food, plant-based food, plant-based diet. Now, I'm not specifically doing this to see the number of people who are searching this stuff. I'm more doing it to get kind of keyword ideas here. Now, these are all of the different keywords people are searching in Google. So plant-based breakfast foods, which we could use. We've got what is a plant-based food, all that type of stuff. So the next step is we need to figure out how can we actually make money from this. And what I came up with was recipes. And that is because this is actually a recipe book with 200 plus recipes. So what I want to do is I want to go over to ChatGPT, and you can use the free version or the paid version. And I'm going to put in, give me 5 plant-based food recipes. And I'm just going to ask it to give me 5 recipes. Now, the reason I want it to give me 5 is because that's all we need, because I just want to actually pick one of these, but you can do multiple of these, well, you are going to do multiple of these to actually make money with this. There we go. We have 5 recipes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the chickpea curry, just the top one, because it's very easy to follow. Now, this is how easy this stuff is. All right, so now that we have this, what we want to do now is we want to actually get some photos of a chickpea curry. I do have a couple of photos here which are royalty free, or you might want to go and find some online. They were a little bit hard for me to find, but it would depend on the actual recipe that you do. The next step is we want to go to canva.com, and on canva.com we're going to go ahead and find a recipe template. Now there's lots of templates we could go ahead and use, but just go and put in food recipes and you're going to have a recipe template that you can potentially use, and you want to use a free one. Now what I want to do is I want to find one with the layout similar to this. So we're going to have a section for ingredients, and then we're going to have a section for instructions. So you want to go back to the template and you want to find something that is very similar to that, and I do like that one, but I want to find a free one just so you guys have a free version, and I think I might go with this one right here, and we can go customize this template. So this is how easy this is, and like I said, we can do lots of different examples. So for example, we said give me 5 plant-based food recipes, and then we got 5. But if we go back to that keyword research tool that we were looking for at before, there was one that said breakfast, I remember. So we could do something like the best, so I can't remember where it was, but it said breakfast. So we could do the 5 best plant-based breakfast recipes, dinner recipes, or recipes with curry, or whatever you want. You can do different variations of it. Now, if we go back to here, we need to first, we can just literally copy and paste all of this stuff. So I can copy this, I can go back to here and I can put chickpea curry. Cool, we just did that, easy. Ingredients, and we can copy over all of the ingredients. That I'll do right now. All right, so I copied over the first one, and now I'm going to copy over the second one. I'm literally just copying and pasting at this point, and we can go like that. And we can just make sure that's fine. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can take away 6 there, and there we go. Okay, and then on the bottom, I'm going to go like this. I'm going to put in some text here, and I'm going to say, click for more, and you'll know why in a second. For more. I'll go like this. So we'll make this a little bit bigger, and we'll put this down here. What we'll actually do is we'll put this back, and we'll make this a little bit smaller actually, and we'll make this a different color. We'll go something like white, even red or whatever, we'll go white, and we'll go ahead and put this down here. Okay, that's how easy it is. We just need to change the picture now. I'm going to go to here. I'm going to get this one here, or you can get that one, depends on the picture size. We'll use this one because it's a better picture size. Download, and I can go ahead and download this for free. Easy. Really cool. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this on here as well. All right, so I've uploaded my photo. I now just have to drag it onto that photo there. As you can see, it's now there. And we can click on that photo, and we can actually move this over. And we can resize it in here. And then there we go. Super easy. So we just created an image that is a chickpea curry. We have all of the ingredients and how to do it. Now we just need to go ahead and share, and then we can go ahead and download this image. And now we can move on to the next steps to making money with this. All right, so once you download this, there's 2 things we need to do. The first thing is go over to here and click on your recipe book, or find it, I should say, and click promote, and then go generate hop link. And then get your custom link and copy that link. I've just copied it. Now there's a couple of things you want to do now is you want to go to this website here called short URL, and you want to paste this into here and go to shorten URL and then copy that URL. The next step is you want to go to a website like Linktree. And I'll explain to you what this is in a second, but you want to go add link, and you want to go and put in the URL and click add. Now the reason you don't put the Clickbank URL in there straight away is because sometimes there are issues, so I like to just put in straight up that URL. And then I'm going to go ahead and just put 200, I'll put 200 plus plant-based recipes. I guess it's how you spell it. I wasn't that good at school with spelling. And then it says 200 plus plant-based recipes. Now what we need to do is we need to go to share, and we need to go to copy. So copy linktree.frankchill. Now you would have your own one, or you could use another type of website. And what this does is it creates this page where we can have links. So if you wanted to, you could have multiple links from Clickbank. You could have as many as you like 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 of different types of plant-based stuff. But this is what it's going to look like. Now, keep in mind, yours is going to look much better than this. This is just my own personal account, so it's got some of my own personal stuff in it. But this is what yours is going to look like, and you're going to make it different and stuff. The next step is we need to go over to Pinterest, and you can see in Pinterest here, it says I put in plant-based recipes, and lots of people have content on plant-based recipes. However, what I noticed is a lot of people, what they do is they just have like this here, 13 high protein vegan recipes, right? And you click on it and this is it here, and then you go to a link. Cool. But what I thought is we could do something different. We could actually post our recipe, and then people will be like, oh, this is a really good recipe. And then and then they'll see our thing that says click more, and they'll go to our affiliate link. So let me kind of show you how that works real quick. But we're going to be going and posting stuff like this on Pinterest, because this is a very big niche on Pinterest, especially because a lot of the audience on Pinterest are females. So what you want to do next is you want to go to Pinterest up here, and you want to go to create a pin, and we're going to create a pin. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and put in an image. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put in the image that we put in, and then we need to actually optimize the title and the description. So for the title, I would put something like plant-based recipe, because you need to think of what are people going to search in Pinterest. Chickpea curry. Just something like that. And then we could actually use ChatGPT to give us a description. I'll say, okay, take chickpea curry. Give me a 200-word Pinterest description about chickpea curry. Cool. And there we go. It's written that for us, and we can go ahead and copy this, and we can go ahead and put this into Pinterest. Now we need to bring this down. So let's go like this. And there we go. We have a description. It's important to have a description and a title. The next thing is we need to go ahead and put in our link. So I'm going to go to here, and I'm going to go to share, and I'm going to copy, and I'm going to put this into here. Now we have a link. So when people click on this, as I say click for more, we needed a space there, but they're going to go to our, what do we call it? Our affiliate link. Now I'm going to go to view, and let's view the pin. And there we go, link tree. There is our link, and there is our, and there's the link there. So when people click on it, and there is our recipe, and there is the description, and there is the title. So this could potentially pop up when people do a search on Pinterest. You've got to remember Pinterest is a search engine. And then also here we go, right? So what Pinterest has done is it's gone and taken my pin, and it's showing me ones that are similar to mine. So if I click on this one, for example, and then you will see that these guys are doing the same thing. If I scroll down, it recommends other chickpea curries. What might happen is mine might turn up in the recommendations as well. So we're going to have that chickpea curry recipe everywhere, because there's so many people online searching for these specific types of recipes. Now, obviously, you're not just going to post one recipe and that's it and think that you're going to make money. You will need to do a lot, potentially hundreds, even thousands of recipes. But you can use ChatGPT to create recipes very, very fast. Now, I might even create my own recipe generator for ChatGPT. If I do, I'll leave a link in the description. But there you go, guys. That's how you can go ahead and make money online with Clickbank right now, is by promoting specific products using Pinterest to make money online with recipes, or there's other products you could potentially look at and use AI for that as well. I'll see you guys in the next video.